Hi, Ngok.
Hi.
Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Can you see teacher?
Yes, I can see you.
Oh, okay. So how are you today? So it's nice to see you again. How are you? Are you okay today? Are you
Yeah.
good? Yes. What did you eat?
Chill.
Mhm. Did you
I'm
already?
chill.
I'm
I'm chill. I'm chill.
chew? Huh? I'm what? I'm sorry, I didn't hear that.
Huh?
What did you say? I'm
Chill.
I'm Sue?
Wait.
Okay, okay, sure. You can write it so the teacher will understand. I'm I'm chill. Oh wow. Oh, what are you drinking? Is it cola? Oh,
No.
it's a
Hey.
milk tea.
Hey.
Hey, oh, I don't know that.
She.
Is that a milk juice?
Beauty. It's a beauty.
Ah, milk tea. Oh, it looks delicious. Oh, is milk tea your favorite?
Yes.
Yes, wow. So that's so nice, but make sure to drink it moderately because drinking too much milk tea might get you sick. Okay? Oh, you have a new toy? Can I see? Is it new? Wow. Wow, that's so cute. Is it a mouse? It looks like a mouse. A pink
No,
mouse. Ah, it's not a mouse. What is that?
I don't.
It looks like a mouse, but it has a very, very long tail. Okay, so did you already eat dinner? No?
Yes.
What did you eat for dinner?
Uh. Uh. Um.
Mhm. Did you eat, aside from milk tea, what did you eat?
Uh. Rice and meat.
Rice and meat. What kind of meat? Is it pork, beef?
Yes. Huh.
What kind of meat? Is it pork? Is it chicken or beef?
I don't. I don't.
I don't know. But is it delicious?
Hmm?
Is your dinner delicious?
Dinner.
Oh, that's very good to know. And
No.
mhm, for this
Friend.
and for this one, so we have our activity which is look and write. Okay, so now let's name some objects here. So you need to spell each of the objects that you can see. So let's start with number one.
Spider.
Spider. How do you spell spider? Can you write spider?
Okay. Spider.
Okay, very good. That's correct. How about number two? What is this?
Ear.
Very good. This is ear. How about this one? Number three.
Eye.
Eye. How about number four?
El. El. Ele. Elephant.
Okay, very good. How about number five?
Mm.
What is that? What is number 5? Is that the foot? Is that the foot? Yes or no?
No, it's
No. It's a this one, this part of the body. What is that? What's that? Hmm. Starts with letter L.
leg.
Very good. Can you spell the word leg? Okay. Is it
Leg.
is this letter A or letter G? What? Okay, very good. How about number 6? What animal is that?
Leg.
Okay, wow, very good. You are doing better in spelling. How about number 7?
Monster.
Monster.
Mon.
Oh, are you sure it's a monster? Monster?
Monster.
Are you sure?
La, 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 la.
Are you sure this is the spelling of monster? What is the missing letter? Monster.
Monster.
Hmm. How? What is the miss? What's the missing letter?
Monster. Oh no 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 no.
Monset? Monset?
Monster. Monster. Monster.
Months? What's the next letter? Months?
Down.
It's letter T. What's the next letters?
E.
Months. And last one is letter.
D.
What's the last letter? After E.
S. S.
Monster? Monsters?
No no no.
What letter is that?
uh arm.
Very good. That's monster. Very good. R.
Robot. Robot.
Robot. How do you spell robot? Okay, very good. How about number 10? What is that?
Right.
Okay, very good. Good job. So all of the things, you got it correctly. You named it correctly. So, however, you spelled incorrectly the word monster. So make sure. So don't forget the letter T because monster would not be monster without letter T. Okay. So next. Okay. So now, so let's write some of the words here that we had last time. So last time, this
Yes. Arm.
yes. So we have here. I will show you the
For
list. Okay, this is the words, and so we will complete this. So when we say "and," okay, we use it before the words that starts with vowel sound. Like for example, if the word starts with A, E, I, O, U. So we will use an. For example, an elephant, like this one. So the elephant starts with letter E. So we will use an. An arm. Okay. Arm starts with letter A. So we will use an. For a, so we use it before words that start with consonant sounds. So those words that doesn't start with this one, so we will use a. Okay, like snake, leg. Okay, so in these words, can you write the other words here that we can put and we can use an?
No. Oh, 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 oh.
I don't know. What no?
And oh,
You
oh,
don't? Okay, again. So
oh,
when we
oh.
again, so listen carefully. An. We use an for words that starts with letter A, letter E, letter I, O, and U. For example, an elephant. What letter elephant starts?
Listen.
Letter?
E.
Okay. Now, can you tell teacher, can you see letter E here? Can you see letter E here?
Yes.
Very good. How about arm? What letter does arm starts?
A.
A. Okay. Can you see A here?
I can't see I.
Very good. So, therefore, we can use an. Okay. Now, choose words here that we can use an.
Mm,
You can write it in here. Choose,
okay.
choose words here in this word bank that we can use an.
Okay.
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 Okay, remember? So we use an if it starts with letter A, E, I, O, U. Now choose from these words. What are the other words that we can use an?
Mm.
Where are the words that starts with letter A? Where are the words that starts with letter E? Choose and write right here.
Wait.
Okay, so let me just move this one.
Mm. Mm.
Oh, choose. Oh, wait.
What? What? Huh?
Let me
Huh?
just move. Wait. I'll just
Huh?
move.
Huh? Okay, okay. A spider.
Why is it? Hmm. Where are the words that we can use an?
Mm.
Oh, look at
A
these
arm.
letters.
Arm. Arm.
Uh,
Arm.
oh, we have arm. Oh, we have arm here. Our example
Um.
is arm and elephant.
Oh no.
What what are the other words?
Oh. Hmm.
Hmm.
Arm. Report. Ace. Oh. I.
Okay, right. Write the word I. Okay, very good. How about the other? Okay, so we have elephant, arm, I. What are the other words that we can add or we can use an?
I.
What is the last? What's the last
Wait.
word?
Wait. Oh my. Ear. Ear.
Okay, very good. So those are the words that we can use an. Okay, very good. How about a from these words?
Mm.
So
Spider.
okay,
Spider.
very good. So write the spider. Okay, I will remove the spider. Other words.
A monster.
Okay, very good. Monster. Next.
Um,
Last two words.
a, a robot.
Robot. Okay, write the robot. The last one will be
Body. Beep. Beep.
what is the last word? Mm,
Mm, mm,
what's the last word? What is the
uh,
last?
oh,
The last word is, what is this word?
face.
Okay, so you can also write face. Okay, so again, so we can use an for those words that starts with e, I, o, u. But if it doesn't start with e, I, o, u or a, e, I, o, u, so we can use a. Okay, so now let's read the words that you write. Let's say an elephant.
Okay.
Okay, let's read an elephant.
Okay. An elephant.
Next,
A snake.
this one, a
Oh,
snake.
an arm.
Very good. Next is
An eyes.
very good. Next,
Hair.
an.
An ear.
Okay, very good. So next,
A snake.
a snake. Next is
A snake.
a leg. Next,
Uh, 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 uh,
mm,
uh, uh,
what's this one?
spider, spider, spider,
Okay, let's say a spider.
spider,
Next is,
monster,
okay, don't forget the a monster.
a monster,
Next is
robot,
only robot,
robot,
a robot.
a face,
Okay, very good. So this two, so a and an, so we both use this to describe one thing. Okay, so that's it. So we use it to describe only one thing. Like for example, I have here a toy. Okay, a toy, uh, a comb, a pen. Okay, so we use it to describe if we are describing or naming one thing. Okay, next, so from our word bank, so can
a
you,
star,
okay, this one, from our choices or from our words, can you write all of the body parts and all of the toys?
toy,
Yeah, write the body parts. So we have a leg, an arm. In this given examples, what are the other body parts that you can see?
okay,
Mhm.
a, a body, um, face,
Okay, very good. Okay, good job. Next, what are the other body parts?
an, an ear,
Okay, very good. An ear. And the last body part?
an, mm, really?
What is our last body part?
Mm,
Hmm.
Like face, a face,
Okay, very good. A face.
a face,
Okay, next, write all of the toys.
an elephant,
So we have elephant and snake. What are the other toys? Okay.
a robot,
What
robot,
what shall we use? A or an? An robot or a robot?
an,
Hmm? An robot?
uh,
Okay, very good. A robot. Next. Next is hmm,
spider,
okay, a or an?
an,
Hmm? An spider? Are you sure? Does it starts with letter A? Letter E I O U?
a spider,
A spider. Very good. Not an because it doesn't start with A E I O U. Okay, very good. Next, the last toy,
monster,
monster.
a monster,
Okay, very good. A monster. Very good. So that is how we use a and an. Very good. So just remember if we are using an, so look for the words that starts with these letters A, E, O, and U. So if it doesn't start with these words or with these letters, so we will use a. Okay? Okay, you did a very great job. Next. Let's move on to our next activity. So we
huh?
will
L,
so we
L,
will listen and write. Okay. So when we say L, so it is Lucy. When we say S, it is Sam. When we say A, it is Anne. And when we say N, it's Nick. Okay. Hmm?
listen and write.
Mhm.
What? I don't. Huh? Huh? What? What? What?
Ah, can you hear it? Ah, no, you cannot
No.
hear it. Okay, wait.
Listening 25. Find the children's toys. Listen and write L for Lucy, S for Sam, A for Anne, and N for Nick. 1.
Where are your toys, Lucy?
I don't know, but I've got a beautiful doll.
Why is it?
Hmm.
Okay, wait.
Toys. Listen and write L for Lucy, S for Sam, A for Anne, and N for Nick. 1.
Where are your toys, Lucy?
I don't know, but I've got a beautiful doll.
Is she wearing a purple dress?
Yes, and she's sleeping now.
Oh, I can see her.
Okay,
2.
where is Lucy's toy? Okay, what is her toy doing? What is this toy?
Sleeping. Sleeping.
Okay, very good. The toy is sleeping. What is that
And,
toy?
and
What is the name of the toy? What's the name of the toy? Hmm. Oh, what's the name? What? Oh, what's the name of the toy?
beep beep beep.
What's the name? Is that a monster? A monster toy?
No, a top, a doll.
Very good. So what is the doll doing? The doll is
Sleeping.
okay, very good. So Lucy's doll is sleeping. Next, number 2.
Now, Sam, which is your favourite toy?
Oh, that's my monster. It's got 4 feet.
Really?
Yes, and a very long tail.
Okay, how about Nick's toy? What is the name of his toy?
1.
Nick's. What is the name of Nick's toy?
Monster.
Monster. Very good. How many legs does Nick's
4 legs.
Sam's toy has?
4 legs.
4 legs. Okay. The monster have got. How do we use it in a sentence? How many legs have the monster got?
4.
How do we use it in a sentence? The monster have got. Let's say it in a sentence. The monster.
The
Hello.
monster
Mhm.
has got 4 legs.
Okay. How about the tail of the monster? Is it short or is it long? The tail of the monster, is it short or is it long?
Long.
Okay, very good. So this is the Sam's monster. How about number 3?
3.
Anne, which is your toy, Anne?
Well, can you see the blue elephant?
Yes, it's a very funny elephant. It's got 3 eyes.
I know,
And it hasn't got a tail.
I know. He is ugly. But that's my elephant.
Okay.
Okay, how about Anne's toy? What is the name of Anne's toy?
Elephant.
Elephant. Very good, elephant. How many eyes have the elephant got?
Hmm.
How many eyes have the elephant got?
3. 3.
The elephant, let's answer it in a sentence. The elephant
Got
have
3
got.
eyes. 3 eyes.
Okay, very good. And can you describe other things that the elephant or in the elephant or ant's elephant body part? Does it have a tail or does it has no tail?
Nothing.
Okay,
The
the elephant.
elephant have got no tail.
Okay, very good. And for the last one, for Nick. Okay, let's take a look at his toy. What is this toy? This one. What's the name of his toy?
Spider.
Spider. Very good. It's a spider. Now, can you describe what does the spider looks like? How many legs does the spider have got?
The spider
Mhm.
have got 8
Eight.
8
Eight what?
8 legs.
Okay, very good. How about the face of the spider? Is it happy or is it sad?
Yes. Be happy.
Okay, very good. The spider is happy.
Happy.
So, yes, so those are the toys that Lucy, Sam, Anne, and Nick has. So, very good. So, for this one, so I think we will end our lesson here because it's already our time. So, next time, Angok, so you will have your new teacher. I will just contribute your lesson material into your new teacher. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so thank you so much for your time today, Ngok. And see you again soon. So
See you again.
goodbye. Thank you so much. Okay, wait.
Bye.
where do we end? Goodbye and thank you.
Goodbye.
Good
Wait.
night. Wow, goodbye. Bye-bye. Yay. Oh, I like the panda, your panda clock. I can see your panda clock. It's so cute.
Wait.
Oh, okay, sure.
Wait.
Wow, that's so
It's my sister.
cute.
Amanda is my sister.
Ah, that's your sister's panda.
Yes.
So cute. Do you also have a panda?
Oh
It
no.
also,
Oh
it
no.
al yeah, it also has a bamboo. That's a bamboo. Because the panda likes bamboo. It's
Yeah.
so cute. How about that? What animal is that? It looks like a mouse. Yeah, but it has a very long tail. Yeah, I think it's a mouse.
I don't.
I don't
I,
know. Okay, so goodbye, Ngok, and see you again
Goodbye.
soon.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. You did a great job today. Bye bye.